Step 1. Use the provided prep pad to clean the device thoroughly. Step 2. Use the lint-free cloth to wipe away loose debris. Make sure your hands are oil-free. Oily hands interfere with the adhesion process. Step 3. Now peel the skin from the backing layer and align it with the camera sensor. When working with a large skin, take the skin off and offset it with the backing paper to aid in the installation process shown in the next video. Step 4. Align the skin to the back of the phone. Step 5. Once you are certain that the skin is perfectly aligned, remove the backing paper. Step 6. Use your fingers and squeeze the skin from the middle outward. Refer to Step 3. Step 7. Use the provided tape to remove any dirt on the screen. Step 8. Remove the protective film from the glass screen. Step 9. Align the screen with the home button and top speaker. Before placing the screen down, make sure you are 100% sure the glass is perfectly aligned with your phone. Once applied, it cannot be reapplied. Step 10. Use the provided squeegee and remove any air bubbles. Step 11. Clean the device with the lint-free cloth to remove any dirt. Refer to Step 3. Step 12. Align the skin by using the SIM card tray as a reference point. Step 13. Align the skin using the volume button and silent switch as a reference point. Step 14. Align the skin using the power key as a reference point. Step 15. Align the skin by using the speakers and headphone jack as a reference point.